Right now, AI is reading the script with me.
Not really, but in 5 years? Maybe. Here's what is actually true right now today. Your keyboard predicting your next word. That's AI.
The playlist that always knows what you want. AI.
Your face unlock. Your spam filter. Your maps ETA. Olay. 72 episodes ago, we started with What is Python?
That series is done. This one starts today.
By the end of this video, you will understand AI better than most people who talk about it. No hype. No sci-fi. Just how it actually works under the hood.
Let's go.
So, what actually is artificial intelligence?
Forget the robots. Forget Skynet. Forget the marketing.
One idea. One sentence. That's all it takes. AI is teaching a computer to make decisions from data, instead of from fixed rules a human wrote down. A normal program does exactly what you tell it every single time.
An AI system looks at thousands of examples and works out the rules itself.
That difference is the entire revolution. The idea was born in 1956 at a summer conference called Dartmouth. For 30 years, AI meant rule-based systems. If this, then that.
That approach hit a wall. The real world has too many rules to write by hand.
So researchers stopped writing rules and started teaching machines to find them. So how does a machine learn something nobody wrote down for it?
3 ingredients. That's it.
Data, a model, and a way to measure mistakes. You show the model 10,000 labeled examples. This is a cat. This is not. This is spam. This is not. The model makes a guess. It is almost always wrong at first. The mistake gets measured, and the model adjusts just slightly.
Do that 10 million times. The guesses get very, very good.
That process is called training. What's left when training finishes is a set of numbers called weights.
Weights are the model's actual memory. Everything it learned stored in numbers.
Feed the trained model something brand new. It uses those weights to predict. That's inference. Training is slow, happens once. Inference is instant, happens every time you use it.
For terms, everyone uses them interchangeably. They are not the same thing.
Let me make this permanently clear. Artificial intelligence, the entire field. Any system making decisions from data. Machine learning, one approach inside AI. Learning from data, not handwritten rules. Deep learning, one approach inside machine learning. Layered neural networks.
Generative AI products built on top of deep learning. ChatGPT.
Claude.
Gemini.
Every large language model is deep learning. Every deep learning model is machine learning. Every machine learning model is AI.
But not the other direction. The nesting only goes one way.
Now you know the hierarchy. You will never confuse these again. AI as an idea is 70 years old.
So why is it taking over the world right now, and not in 1990?
3 forces. They converged at almost exactly the same time. First, data. The internet generated more text, images, and video than ever before in history. Second, compute. GPUs built for video games turned out to be perfect for training neural networks.
Third, algorithms. In 2017, a paper called Attention is All You Need changed everything.
That one paper introduced the transformer architecture. GPT, Claude, Gemini, all of them built on that 2017 idea.
Remove any one of those 3 forces. None of this happens.
Data, compute, algorithms converging at once. That is the moment we are living in.
This is not a technology of the future.
It is already running your entire day, and you probably did not notice. Google Maps routing around the crash before you even heard about it. AI.
Your bank blocking a fraudulent charge in milliseconds. AI.
Netflix knowing you'll watch that documentary at 11 p.m. AI. Medical AI finding tumors in scans that tired human eyes miss. AI. Real-time translation, code generation, email drafting, all of it.
The tools we will build together in this series, same category, same technology.
Now, so why should you personally learn this and not just use the chatbot?
Because 2 types of people are emerging right now.
People who use AI tools. and people who build, train, and fix AI systems. Every major industry is rebuilding itself around AI.
Healthcare, finance, law, education, software, all of it right now.
The demand for people who actually understand the mechanics is enormous. That gap between using AI and understanding AI is a real career gap.
It is widening every year, and it is where you want to be. This channel has always been called CodeToAGI AI. Now you will see why.
Not because we are building AGI tomorrow.
Because that is the direction, and every series on this channel moves toward it.
Python was step 1. 72 episodes of it. Solid foundation.
Machine learning is step 2, where the real math lives, where models actually learn.
Deep learning is step 3. Building neural networks from scratch, layer by layer.
Agentic AI is the destination. Models that don't just answer, they plan, they act.
They use tools, complete tasks, operate on their own. That is where this roadmap ends. And this video is the doorway. Here is exactly what the machine learning series will cover. Math foundations first, linear algebra, probability, and calculus.
Not the textbook version. The version that actually connects to ML code.
Then supervised learning, regression, and classification. The algorithms behind most real AI products that exist today. Then unsupervised learning, clustering, structure from unlabeled data.
Model evaluation, how to actually know if your model is good.
Feature engineering, overfitting, cross-validation, real capstone project.
End-to-end, the same way we did Python. No skips.
Here is the good news if you did the Python series.
You already did the hard part.
Every AI library you will ever touch, NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, PyTorch, is built in Python, calling the exact patterns you already know.
Functions, classes, clean code habits, error handling, typing.
That is not separate from AI. That is the actual foundation of it.
You did not waste 72 episodes. You built exactly the toolbox this series needs.
One thing before we start the machine learning series.
This series is being built for you, right now, while you are watching this.
Comment below, what do you most want from this series? The math? The code? Real projects? All three?
I am reading every single comment while the roadmap is still being shaped.
Tell me now. This is your chance to influence what gets made next. Artificial intelligence is not magic. It is math, data, and a feedback loop running millions of times.
And now you understand how it actually works.
Python was the toolbox. This is where we start building.
The machine learning series is next. Subscribe so you do not miss it.
I am Mahaz. Welcome to the next chapter of CodeToAGI AI.